Hi, and these comments are for a student. I'm looking at the email you sent me. You say, "Hi, Mr. Buckhoff. I was trying to adjust my writing speed to finish on time. I wrote 3 independent essays." You say, "I found an application or a website that has artificial intelligence, not an." I'd look at artificial intelligence as a uncount noun there, which can rate my essays, and the scores were as follows. So development, unity, coherence, use of language, grammar, topic, and task. So you averaged 24 the first time, 21 the second time, 21 the third time. You say there is a lack of consistency in the responses. Also, I have a problem with the topic and task address. I was signed tomorrow for the writing and speaking boot camp. I wonder if I can take the test on the 9th of April. No, don't do that. If you sign up for my writing and speaking boot camp, you need about 2 months. You need to, or at least 30 days, to work through the lessons, to do the practice test. So, no, I would not take the test on April 9th. Give yourself at least 4 weeks to do practice so you can deal with some of these problems. Now, the program that you're using there, the artificial intelligence, it may not be 100% accurate. So, that would be my comments on that. So I'm going to say if you do sign up for speaking and writing boot camp courses, you need at least 4 weeks to study the lessons, to complete the practice test, to get the feedback, to make any changes that you need to make in your writing. It takes a while to work out those things. And remember, when you do your writing, it's not just watching videos and reading lessons. It's doing writing practice. And you'll do a lot of that if you join that course. And also the same thing for my speaking boot camp course. You'll have a lot of practice. Alrighty?